I am Taylor Bastian, the queen of faking it until you make it. Welcome to my master bathroom. You know, it's okay. It's not the Ritz-Carlton or anything, but you know, it'll do. But this is where I go to unwind when I'm feeling kind of, you know.
Why do you have this coat on?
I'm cold in here. I can afford the heat.
I'm just curious.
I can afford the heat. So I have this on to keep me warm while I'm here in my bathroom.
On those lonely nights.
On those lonely nights. It's so lonely because I'm, you know, when you're an ugly girl, it's just like you don't have any
Whatever.
options.
You're the biggest narcissista.
So, Miss Narcissista. Anyway, so what do you think?
I like it.
Do you like my bathroom, honey? Oh, look over here. This is my favorite pot, darling. My favorite pot.
Yes. Gorgeous. Gorge. As Kim K would say, gorge.
Yay. Coach boots.
Coach and not Gucci.
Sorry.